Hello friends, welcome to Targeted Email Database. This is Kingshuk here from Targeted Email Database. In this video I will take you through the email database of investors. Investors like different sorts of financial investors like mutual fund investors, bond investors, share market investors, commodity traders, forex traders, or other investors like real estate investors and business investors, etc. And I will take you through this data so that you can clearly understand how exactly the data is, how does it look like, what is the format, etc. And I will also tell you how to use this particular data to increase your sales and revenue to a multiple number of times within a very short span of time. But first let me show you the data. Let me copy the file and paste it here. Now this is the exact file which you will get after you buy and download the data from our website www.targetedemaildatabase.com. Now this is the exact file which you will get. The file is in Excel format. File is in Microsoft Excel 2007, but as you can see here, the file extension is .rat. So what you need to do, right click and extract. Make sure you have a Windows install in your computer. If you do not have it, please download and install. It's a free software. After we extract, you will get a folder containing files, the Excel files. As you can see, this is the exact thing which you will get, exact folder. Let me open you the files for you. So for the first one, I am opening the first Excel file. Now this is the exact file which you will be getting, which you will be using if you buy and download this data. This is the exact thing. As you can see, different columns and rows are there. Different columns: DP ID, account number, OCC, name, email ID, father's name, address, couple of column of addresses, full addresses, then pin code. There is another number, MANSC. I don't know what exactly it is. Might be related to some bank terms or whatever. Bank name, holding script. These are all terminologies of investment terms. I also don't know exactly because I don't know much about the investment thing. Whatever. So there will be different things, and you will. There is a profile details like this. These are the profile details. How exactly? What is the investment portfolio exactly? What is the investment profile of the person? You can understand from here. Different terminologies are mentioned. Account details are also mentioned, so you can have a idea exactly about the investment portfolio, investment profile. And in this file we have approximately 63,000 records, 63,000 and 13. So this is the exact file which you'll get. I will scroll down through this data slowly. You can clearly understand how exactly the data is, what is the format and everything. And now this is the thing. In every record, the name, email ID, and other details are mentioned, as you can see. And this particular data is really helpful if you are trying to promote any sort of investment product or services. Might be financial investment, might be share market investment, bonds, commodity, share tips, share trading, or whatever, or even like real estate investment or any sort of business investment. This is a have to have data if you are if you are trying to promote something related to investment. My clients have already using it and will be using, like, we have approximately 1 lakh something data, and you can easily convert 0.5% or 1%. 0.5, even if you cannot convert 1%, 0.5%, if you convert like just one client per 200 records, then also you will get a huge number of conversion. If you convert 1%, you will get approximately 1000 new clients, which will be a a really big boost to your sales and marketing within a very short span of time. One of my clients from Delhi, they have used this data, converted approximately 700 new clients. Not even 1000, they have converted 700. And for after converting the 700 new clients, they have increased their sales and revenue approximately 8 times within 3 months of time. And let me tell you, converting 1% or 0.5% is nothing a big deal. If you follow the standard procedures of email marketing, like regular follow-up, providing value-added content, you can do much more than that. My clients have done that. They are doing it, and you can also do it. Okay, email marketing is always a volume game. As I always say, email marketing is a volume game where you send email in bulk, send to a huge number of people, and convert and concentrate and focus to convert a small percentage out of it. Even if you can do that, even if it is a small percentage, you will at the end of the total campaign, you will get a good number of conversion. From Pune, they have also used this particular data to promote their financial investment services. They have also converted in 630 new clients. So you can so this is the thing so this is the thing basically, converting 1% and 0.5%, that might converting 1% or 0.5%, that might take some time, that might take 2 or 3 months of time, but if you are stick to it, if you are stick to your goal, you can eventually achieve it. And by achieving that, even that's able to convert a goods. Okay. And in one of my clients from Hyderabad, they are also into share trading and all. There they provide tips and all. They also use this data use quite a good number, like within a 1.5 months time they have converted 450 new clients. So you can really understand the power of this data. If you use it really well, if you can really utilize this particular data, that will do wonders for you. Now as you can see, the bottom of the data, bottom of the file, as you can see, I have scrolled down all through the data. I will open another file and show you that file as well. Now this is the almost the same format: the DPID, account number, OCC name, email ID. Here we have approximately 25,000 records. Then the address, city, pin code, like the same name, bank name, script holding, etc. So this is the main thing. They're just sticking to a particular percentage, and follow the standard procedures of email marketing. You can definitely able to and eventually you will be multiplying your sales and revenue to 4 or 5 times within a very short span of time, like within 2 or 3 months of time. Use a good strategy, like do different mailers and try to understand which mailer is what. Okay. And like that you will definitely achieve your target. And I wish you will use this particular your sales and revenue to a multiple times within a very short span of time. And if you think this particular video is helpful, then please feel free to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching.